Hey guys, in this video, going to be showing you how you can go about turning off auto preview or autoplay when you're in Netflix. So to do this, you want to head on over to netflix.com, log in to your Netflix account with your email and password, and I'll link netflix.com right at the top of the video description so you can access it through there. Once you're in your profile, go into the upper right-hand corner, hover over your profile image, and then go down and click where it says Account. And then scroll down to the area where it says Profile and Parental Controls. Find your profile and click the little down arrow. And then you want to scroll down until you find where it says Playback Settings and click Change. And the autoplay previews option is right in this section below where it says Autoplay next episode in a series on all devices. If you have this box checked, then it will autoplay previews while browsing on all devices. If you have it unchecked, then you will not get the autoplay preview. So once you have it set how you want, go down and click save, and then you should be good to go at that point in time. So I hope this video was helpful, and I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.